In this section, we'll be discussing whistleblowers, and specifically whistleblowers in what we call the false claim arena. Both the state and the federal government have what are called false claim acts. In a whistleblower false claim act case, an individual can act on behalf of the government to seek to recover monies that have been obtained by fraud. This individual is often referred to as a qui tam relator. It's a legal claim for the private individual or entity that brings the lawsuit. So what constitutes a false claim? A false claim is the submission of a false bill, the indication of services that have been rendered, issuance of purchase orders, or claiming that hours or materials that were used that weren't. Some of the examples that we've seen of this is in the aerospace industry, Medicare fraud and billing, and sometimes in things such as telecom, where we've seen entities that have been charged for phone usage that didn't occur. It's under seal, which means that it's not something that's public. It is kept private for a period of time to allow the government to examine whether or not it wants to enter into and take over the case. Many times whistleblowers are employees of the company. Sometimes they are competitors, and sometimes they're contractors who've been ripped off. To be a whistleblower, the information has to be from you first. It must also be information that is not known publicly. If the government intervenes into the lawsuit, the government's attorneys, the Department of Justice, the Attorney General take over the case. If the government is successful in reaching a settlement or verdict after trial, the whistleblower or relator is entitled to compensation. It can be from 15 to 25% of the amount recovered by the government. Many of these cases are often multi-million-dollar cases, with the relators receiving millions of dollars for having brought the fraud to light. Whistleblowers who suffer from retaliation because of their involvement in a qui tam lawsuit may sue for reinstatement, double back pay, and additional damages such as emotional distress where appropriate. False Claim Act cases are very technical. They require a great degree of skill and understanding of how the courts work. My firm has handled a number of these cases and has helped retrieve millions of dollars for the government. If you believe you are a whistleblower, contact a lawyer promptly. Make sure that you're dealing with somebody who knows how to handle one of these cases and help recover money for our government. There could be a very significant bounty for you if you do so.